दुनिया गोष्टी Birbal's Khichdi. It was a cold winter. Emperor Akbar made an announcement that anyone who could stand in the freezing water of the royal pond outside his palace throughout the night would be rewarded with 100 gold coins. This proclamation was spread across the kingdom. Hearing this, a poor man decided to take up the challenge. He stood shivering in the cold water the entire night. A servant informed Birbal about the man's ordeal. Worried that the man might die from the cold, Birbal replied, "He is strong-willed and determined to succeed." The next morning, when Akbar arrived, the man was still standing joyfully in the pond. He stepped out feeling victorious. "How were you able to do this impossible task?" Akbar asked. "It was extremely difficult, yet you managed to do it so easily. I can't believe it. What's your secret?" The poor man replied, "Your Majesty, there is no secret. I simply resolved to succeed." Akbar said, "But how did you spend the entire night in the freezing water?" The man replied, "I kept my gaze fixed on the lamp burning in your palace." "Oh, now I understand," Akbar explained. "You received warmth from the lamp burning in my palace throughout the night, and that's why you didn't feel cool in the freezing water. Therefore, I will not reward you with anything. You may go home." The poor man, heartbroken, went to Birbal and narrated the whole incident. Birbal confronted him and said, "Don't worry, I will handle this." The next day, Birbal went to Akbar and said, "I am learning to cook khichdi. I invite you to my house tomorrow morning to taste it." Akbar, delighted by the invitation, agreed. The following morning, Akbar arrived at Birbal's house. Birbal welcomed him and seated him. However, even after a long wait, no food or even water was served to the emperor. Akbar, hungry and thirsty, grew impatient. "Where is Birbal?" Akbar asked. "He is in the garden," the servant replied. "I asked the same question an hour ago and you gave me the same answer." Akbar said angrily, "What is he doing in the garden?" The servant apologized and replied, "He is busy cooking khichdi." Furious, Akbar stood up and stormed to the garden, accompanied by his courtiers. In the garden, they saw Birbal had set up a small stove and hung a pot very high above it. The pot was so far from the fire that it was impossible for the heat to reach it. "Where is your khichdi?" Akbar asked. Birbal pointed to the pot hanging high above. Everyone looked up at the pot, puzzled. "What is this, Birbal?" Akbar asked. "You are so clever and wise. Don't you understand that if the pot is so far from the fire, the heat won't reach it and the khichdi will never cook?" Birbal smiled and replied, "Your Majesty, if a man can stand all night in freezing water by receiving warmth from a distant lamp in your palace, then why can't this khichdi cook from the heat of the fire that's just as far away?" Akbar understood Birbal's point. "I was wrong to deny the poor man his reward," Akbar admitted. "I realized my mistake. I promised to give him 200 gold coins as compensation." Birbal was delighted that the poor man would now receive double the reward. He said, "Your Majesty, please join me inside for a feast. I have prepared many dishes and of course khichdi." Everyone enjoyed the meal with laughter and cheer.